Sick of hearing the same old messenger notification sound on your Android phone? You can easily change it to something you like and make it feel more personal. In this video, I'll show you the simple steps to change the messenger notification sound on your Android device. Let's get started. Steps to change the notification sound on Messenger. Open the Messenger app on your Android device. Tap the three-dot line in the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap Settings from the menu. Scroll down and tap Notification and Sounds. Scroll down. Tap Customize Notifications. Tap Sounds. Select the notification sound from the list to set it as your Messenger notification sound. Additional notes: if you don't see this option, make sure your Messenger app is up to date in the Google Play Store. Ensure your device sound settings are configured properly so you can hear the notification sound. Just follow these steps and you'll be able to change your Messenger notification sound easily. If you have any questions or need more help, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.